So on today's episode, we're going to straighten some pipe. So I'm going to show you guys a really quick, simple method of getting these things die straight without the need of buying one of these things from eBay, from Temu, wherever you get them from. It's something I discovered a couple of weeks ago, and I just gave it a go and thinking, maybe it'll work. And actually it did. So I'll show you on both the aluminium pipe that I'm going to end up using for fuel line underneath the van, and on Kunifer pipe, which I'm going to use on brake line. When you buy these and you try and do it by hand, you'll end up with a kink in them, and as you try, they go a bit all over the place anyway, and they never get perfectly straight. You can use those machines or little devices to straighten them, but you're going to use it once or twice, let's face it. So what I'm going to try and show you guys is a really simple method using a set of mold grips, a rubber hammer and a vise. So the first method of always with this is to loosely straighten things out. I won't show you all of this, but just gives you an idea. You can do it by hand, but hopefully you can see now my problem. Especially with aluminium, it bends really easily. So what I'm trying to do is just get it as straight as I can out of the vise. And hopefully you've got enough room to do this as well. Now I've ordered about 1 meter over what I need, and you'll see why in a bit. So once you've got that, trap, I can straighten up to the other side. Once you've got it long enough, trap about 1.5 inches in the vise and tighten it right up. I'll get to the other side. And on the other side, what I want you to do, again, take about 1.5 inches and slowly start to bend it upwards. So you got a 90-degree angle like that. Then stick a set of mold grips on the end and crush it right down like you did with the vise. Give it a really, really good pinch. The next stage, what we're going to do is hit it against the flat side of the mold grips. And I'll spin the camera around and I'll show you as I do it. And there you go. After a few hits, yeah, there's a slight curve to it, but it's better than it was. Right, I'll show you on the Kunifer pipe now. And again, apart from the slight bend, that's straighter than it was. I've done 2 fuel hoses and a brake pipe. So I hope that helps you. Also, I'll try to do this in quick succession. But if you've got any more advice, stick in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.